Well, everyone, this is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll not logging in error on your Android mobile device. So let's get right into this. So if you're basically not able to log into Crunchyroll, there's a few ways to fix this. First, click into the app itself to go into this app info. You can go from settings as well. Once you're in here, click into storage and cache and clear the cache and clear storage as well. This might sign you out, so just an FYI, but again, if you're not able to log in, it probably doesn't matter to begin with, right? The next thing you want to do is in here, go to mobile data usage. This is most likely turned off where it says unrestricted mobile data usage. Turn this section on. Once you do that, come back here, do force stop, and then press OK. This kind of does like a hard reset on the app, and also do archive and then basically re-archive it, which is basically reinstalling the app. It's like a soft uninstall. Once you do those steps, come back to your settings and go to network and internet, and in here, go where it says to private DNS. In here, you're most likely on off or automatic. You want to choose the private DNS, provider host name, and do dns.google. Once you have this set, press save, turn the Crunchyroll app back off and turn it back on, then go into it. You should be good to go. You should be able to log in and not have that error persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are video, please go on channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell. I'm Motorola's out. Peace.